Guys, I have a happy message. You can stop the petition. My butt is being worked on. I repeat, my butt is being worked on. Nice. Genma said it's probably gonna take a while, but they're working on it. Now, I'm obviously not gonna somehow suddenly end up with a Kim Kardashian butt, but a more realistic and anatomically correct one. Because like the way it currently is, it really stood out a lot after seeing it move in 3D for a whole hour. And the arm wrestling one, like I wasn't sure if it was because of like the glitching, but certain poses just looked like, what the fuck? So, they're working on it, yeah. Will it have physics? No, come on. No butt in Hololive has physics.